keeping a comfortable temperature at home isn't always simple. Some rooms get too warm during the day, others feel cold at night, and adjusting the entire house often feels unnecessary. That's what led me to look into Epicooler, a portable cooling and heating device designed to help with everyday comfort without complicated setups. What caught my attention was how practical it sounded. Epicooler is made to cool or warm a specific space, giving you control over the room you're actually using. No installation, no drilling, and no need to rely on central systems when you just want a comfortable environment. After using it for a while, I noticed how naturally it fits into daily life. On warmer days, it helps create a fresher atmosphere, and when temperatures drop, switching to heating mode adds a cozy feel to the room. It's quiet enough to use while working or resting, which makes a real difference, especially at night. Portability is another strong point. Instead of having separate devices for different rooms, Epicooler can be moved wherever it's needed, bedroom, office, or living area. The remote control also makes small adjustments easy without interrupting your routine. Over time, it became less about heating or cooling and more about comfort. Daily moments like sleeping or working from home simply feel more pleasant. If you want to see how Epicooler works and how people are using it at home, there's a video that explains everything clearly. You can watch the video through the link in the description or in the pinned comment.